Hi, I'm Dr. Raktima and welcome back to my YouTube channel Grow with Dr. Raktima Chakrabarti. And this is the Christmas time, so Merry Christmas to you all. And have you ever thought of your small babies? You will try the Christmas cake, but what happened to your babies? Will they be able to, taste the cakes? Of course, I'm not saying about the babies who are less than 6 months old because they are supposed to have only mother's milk or the formula milk in rare situation. But for those babies who are more than that, or those babies who are having their birthday during this time, so can they taste the cakes? Is there any special recipe for them? Because you know that before 1 year of age, you should not give any salt, sugar, honey, or animal milk to your baby because that can cause some serious problem. I'll be on that topic. I'll discuss in some other video. But in today's video, you will be very happy to know that I will share a recipe for the Christmas cake for your small babies who are maybe from the age of 9 months to 1 year. So let's discuss about that cake. So Christmas snacks for the little one, how to do that. So can they taste a cake like this? It is yummy and they also can taste it. So what are the ingredients? Let's see. Whole wheat flour and dates, cranberry, cherry, raisin, orange juice, some pinch of cinnamon, shredded ginger, saffron, pinch of saffron, and coconut oil and egg yolk. So every ingredient is allowed for those babies. So that's a very good idea to make a cake for them. Just bake a cake for them. So this is the whole wheat flour. You can see it is, just purely whole wheat and not from any other chemicals. These are the dates which that you can add easily to baby's cake. This is the cherry, this is cranberry, dried cranberry, because that will be easier to get here in India because you will rarely get the cranberries. And these are some raisins. So how to do it? And also some orange juice. Again, you can give orange juice to them. These are shredded ginger, these are little bit of cinnamon, pinch of cinnamon, and pinch of saffron. So this is the egg, and you can see two colors of eggs. In another video I'll discuss which egg will be better to take, this or this. And this is coconut oil, which is very good, and one ingredient is there in coconut oil which is present in breast milk also. So coconut oil is very good thing, very good ingredient in any food of babies who are weaning stage. What is the weaning stage? That is the 6 months to 12 years, when basically they are weaning from their breast milk stage to the proper solid food stage. And how to do? You will mix all initially the eggs and the oil and mix it thoroughly, and then put the all these flour, and you can put all the berries and cherries, and you will mix it here, and you will mix it thoroughly, like it will be a totally frothy stage. And on top of that, pinch of baking soda you can add if you want to. And what next? You will put that batter inside your oven, and after 45 minutes it will come out like this. And then you can do a nice decoration also, and all the decoration pieces can be taken. Even if they can't chew, you can make small pieces and give them. So isn't it a nice idea to bake a cake for your small babies? So please put your ideas in the comment box. I want to listen from you. What is your idea, and if you have baked this cake, how did it came out? And please follow me and subscribe and share my videos. Bye for now, and Merry Christmas.